In this video, I show you how to fix cannot make calls without phone permission problem on Android phone. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps or application management or manage apps. Click on it, then click on see all apps. Scroll down, find out phone app. Click on phone app. Click on permission. Scroll down, click on phone. Now click on allow other permission. Now open phone app. Now I hope this method fix cannot make calls without phone permission problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.